At DRUTEX, we redesigned the entire process, making it intuitive and, above all, efficient. It all starts with the packaging. You don't have to search for every component separately. All parts are sorted and packed into individual boxes. We've also added QR codes that lead to illustrated and video instructions. Just scan them, and you instantly know what to do. No guessing, no wasted time. We've also included installation tools with the door. Thanks to them, installation is even easier with one-tool technology. Every screw has the same thread, so they can all be installed using a single tool. Pre-drilled screw holes? Of course, they show you exactly where to drill. Even for lintels with non-standard dimensions, we manufacture the D-gate door in a way that allows it to be installed without unnecessary on-site modifications or improvised solutions. A larger door and more hinges? Not with us. For us, a larger door means larger hinges. Worried about tensioning the springs? There's no need. In D-gate doors, the springs are already factory tensioned. Automation? You can connect it without any hassle. The result? Less chaos, fewer mistakes, more installations completed in a single day, easier, faster, more cost-effective. Your door can be installed in as little as 2.5 hours.